Welcome again to another Branches of Problems episode. Today, I will be telling you the problem and the homework, and Brad will be telling you how to solve the problem. Hope you enjoy the video. I will now tell you the problem for today. A man weighing 600 kilograms loses 3.12% of his weight every month through healthy eating and exercising. What will his weight be in 20 months?
Hello, I'm Brad. Welcome to another video of Branches of Problems. I will be solving this cool but confusing math problem. So, we have a man that weighs 600 kilograms. We will take the 100% of how much he weighs and minus it by 3.12%. That would get us 96.88. Then, we would take that 96.88 and times it by 600 kilograms. And we would do that 20 times because they're 20 months. And after we get that, we would get 318, but that's a rounded answer. So in conclusion, we will get 318 kilograms.
Line BF and line CE meet at point I. Connect A and I, and the line AI will meet line BC at point D. A bisector is the line that splits the angle in half, like this. Thanks for watching. Please email me if you have trouble on the problem or you just want to comment. My email is listed here below. Please like and please subscribe. Also, please don't artistically screech in my ear.